We have made it to the car show. This is pretty cool, bro. Oh my gosh. No way, it's a Chrysler 300. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's got paddle shifters.
Careful with the shutting, okay?
Now that I'm done with all the cinematic stuff, I can just go around and hop in cars. Like this one. Do I want to get in this? Yes, I do. Yeah. Now I can get in a Challenger. Only a couple $1,000. I can afford it. The door handle all the way down there. Oh, got my finger stuck. This was the car I was just in. It's got this little intake right there and right there. Bet you didn't know that. I can hop in this one too. Boom. Oh, and it's got paddle shifters. Oh, that's cool. This is the one I was just in. XD. Corolla hatchback. Pretty good leg room. I mean, I can't even reach the pedals. Huge touchscreen. Can I get in this one? No. If you can get in this. Oh. Oh my gosh. That's so low. I don't really fit. Those are wax seats, but okay. Oh, we got paddles. We got paddles, boys. We got paddles. Back seats. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Oh, maybe it is sequential because it's got the plus and minus. You can just hop in all these cars. 6.7 liter power stroke. Let's hop in, boys. Oh, I think it's manual because there's a clutch, or what looks like a clutch. No, it's stick shift, or not stick shift, automatic. I'm still extremely excited about this Supra. First time I've ever seen one in my life. Get in this one? Nope, it's locked, I can tell. How about this one? Can we get in this one? I hope so. Nope. Okay. Can we get in this one? Yes, we can. Oh my gosh! Holy cow! Paddle shifts. Look at all of this. Somebody left the water bottle. Ooh, leather. Oh, this is pretty high up.
You got into it?
No, I got into another one.
This one's pretty nice.
I don't think you can get in it. No, you can. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Give me a little steppy stool. These are nice leather seats. This is what I was just in. Ford Fiesta.
I got one.
Check this out. Now we gotta figure out how to get out. This? Oh, okay. Pretty nice. I gotta check this thing out. Here's the one with the... Look at all the underbody aerodynamic stuff. The only thing that could possibly make this thing better is a big old wing on the back. It's an automatic Alfa Romeo all-wheel drive. Oh, and it's got sequential. Oh, that's the hood release. Okay. Oh, you couldn't even see it. Way too dark. It's pretty nice. Oh, they had the NSX. There's the Le Mans. It's a manual. Okay, yeah, I don't want to break that. That is sick. If you haven't seen my cinematic yet, I don't know if I've uploaded it yet, but go check that out too. There's a lot of cool cars. I got like all of the cool cars. I'm gonna go through the entire old car exhibit thingy, and I'm gonna have you pick which one your favorite is. Never mind, I figured that would take you way too long. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have y'all pick your favorite Mustang. Ready? 60-foot Mustang Coupe. It's the 66 Mustang. GT500 California Special 1964. 1967 Mustang. There's one more over here. Fastback 1965 Fastback Mustang, obviously. Pretty nice. Elantra. I love the smell of new cars. Paddle shifters, okay. Paddle shifters and a Ford Edge, okay.
Like I take off and like.
We will be going back to the car show but I have a soccer game, so we got this stamp. So for re-entry, we don't have to pay $15 again. Or we paid $10, right?
Yeah, you were free.
Yeah, I was free.